Hi, this is Noah with Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions. In this video, we'll be going over error code E141 for the SciCan Bravo G4 Autoclave. Error code E141 relates to the cloud firmware. If this code is displayed, that means that the cloud firmware version is not correct with respect to the firmware process, and that there may be malfunctions in the connection with the Wi-Fi, Ethernet, or cloud. To resolve this error, you'll have to call into our tech support line. Any repairs that can be done to resolve this error are not end-user repairs, as it requires the tools and services of a qualified technician. If you have any other questions about this Bravo G4 error code or anything else, call us at 704-966-1650, option 3 for our free tech support line. And don't forget to like and subscribe.